The next question: does a husband have right over the money his wife has earned? Can she spend it independently the way she wants? Can she give it to her brother or anyone else she wishes? In Islam, it is the duty of the man to look after the financial aspects of the family. Before marriage, it is the duty of the father and the brother, and after marriage, it is the duty of the husband and the son to look after the lodging, boarding, clothing, and all the other financial aspects. In Islam, a woman need not work, but if she wishes, she may work. But any work that she does, it should be within the purviews of the Islamic Sharia. She should not take up any job that is haram. So a woman, she can work, but all the money that she earns, she can keep it for herself. She need not spend a single money on the family. If she wishes willingly, she can give it to her relatives, but no one can force her to give it, because it is the man in Islam who's responsible for the financial aspects of the family.